Okay, so this is the lane departure feature on Toyota Corolla 2018, and we can go into settings. That I'm going to have a feedback and correction of the steering wheel together with the signal. And I'm gonna click exit and exit. And another feature is to set up the distance between the cars when you're gonna go on cruise control. So I'm gonna hold this, and then this is the distance about 2 cars. Then you can change it to 1 or 3. Now the lane departure has been activated, and you can tell by looking on both sides of the line on an LCD screen. All the lines turn solid. That means that the line detection is on. If the line is not solid, black inside, that means the car doesn't see both lines. And then from time to time you see that the car is losing one of the lines. Now it lost both. Just because I'm not going in a straight line, I'm not driving on a highway right now. Now the line departure is on, and if I'm going to let go of my steering wheel and the car is going to wave to the side, I got the beep, and then my steering wheel automatically corrects the car to the right. It's a very little feedback that corrects the line, so you really can't, you hold the steering wheel, you really cannot let it go. But if you don't turn the signal left or right, then the car will give you the feedback and a signal. And another example. So I'm trying to wave to the left, and then the car automatically turns a little bit to the right. Now we're going to set up the cruise control to set up the distance between the car that is in front of me. I'm holding the steering wheel. My helper is helping me with the cruise control. So right now, all we have to do is just push the button in, and then you push it down once. Right now, we see the cruise control with the distance of 3 cars. So right now the car is gonna stay at 73 miles per hour, and if the car in front of us is gonna stop or slow down, my car will slow down too, and we can see that.